Here we have a word problem on linear inequalities. Okay, let's go to the information. Greg's grandmother is knitting scarves for charity. The table shows the number of yards needed for different types of scarves. She plans to make bulky scarves and has no more than 2,250 yards of yarn. If the charity plans to sell the scarves for $24.50 each, how much money will the charity make? Okay, now let me assume X as a number of bulky scarves. Let me write the stuff over here. Bulky scarves that Greg's grandmother can make. Okay, so also the question says the number of yards required to make one bulky scarf is 150 yards from the table. Then how many yards do we need to make X number of bulky scarves? So for one scarf, one bulky scarf, we need 150 yards. So to make X number of bulky scarves, we have to multiply this 150 by the number of bulky scarves that Greg's grandmother can make. So it's going to be 150x. So this expression 150x represents the total number of yards required to make X number of bulky scarves. According to the question, so she has no more than 2,250 yards of yarn. So the total number of yards cannot exceed this value. So this 150x, that is the total number of yards required, can be equal to 2,250 or it has to be less than 2,250. Okay, now let's solve for x, which represents the number of bulky scarves. So for that, we have to divide both sides by 150. So when you divide both sides by 150, this 150 and 150 will cancel out. X less than or equal to, when I divide this 2,250 by 150, I'm getting 15. So using this 2,250 yards, she'll be able to make maximum 15 bulky scarves. So she cannot make more than 50 bulky scarves. She can make a maximum of 15 bulky scarves. And the charity plans to sell each scarf for $24.50. That is one scarf can be sold for $24.50. So if one scarf is sold for $24.50, then how much money the charity will make if they sell a maximum of 15 scarves? Okay, let me write over here. So 15 scarves. Okay, to find how much money the charity will make by selling a maximum 15 scarves, what we have to do is we have to multiply the cost of one scarf by the number of scarves, that is 15. So 15 times $24.50. Let me write over here. So when I multiply 15 and $24.50, I'm getting $367.50. Actually, this 15 is the maximum number of scarves Greg's grandmother can make. So this is the maximum money the charity can make. So the charity will make at most $367.50.